Hello students, in the previous video we have completed 8 sums. So in this video we will start 9 sum, that is subtract the second expression from the first. So we have to subtract second expression from the first, means this minus this. So we will write like this first: 2a plus b minus a plus b. So we will take inside the bracket. As I told you, if we are subtracting or adding binomial or multinomial expression, we will take inside the bracket. Now we will open the bracket. So 2a plus b as it is, because out of the bracket is plus sign. Now about this, minus plus minus a, minus plus minus b. Now we will group the like terms. So 2a, any other a, yes, minus a, plus b, minus b, plus b, then minus b. So we had written all the terms. 2a minus a means 1a, or we will write a only. Plus b minus b, cancel. So students, answer is a. Now students, see fourth part: a cube minus 1 plus a comma 3a minus 2a square. So this minus this expression. So a cube minus 1 plus a inside the bracket minus 3a minus 2a square we had taken inside the bracket. Now open the bracket. So a cube minus 1 plus a, because here is plus sign, so all the terms inside the bracket open with same sign. Now see, you can see out of the bracket is minus sign, so all the terms inside the bracket open with opposite sign. So 3a is having positive sign, so minus 3a. 2a is square is having negative sign, so plus 2a square. Or we can do like this also: minus plus minus, minus minus plus. So now arranging of like terms: a cube, any other a cube, no. Minus 1, any other number, no. Then plus a, any other a, yes, they are already arranged or grouped. So a minus 3a, what we will write? Minus 2a. Then plus 2a square. So students, I told you earlier that if we will arrange the powers of the variable in decreasing order, it will better. Otherwise we can leave the answer till here also. So arrange the powers in decreasing order: a cube plus 2a square minus 2a minus 1. So answer is a cube plus 2a square minus 2a minus 1. Now students, see fifth part: p plus 2 minus 1. So p plus 2 inside the bracket, then minus sign for subtract which is given in the question, then minus 1. So we will take this minus 1 inside the bracket. Now open the bracket. P plus 2 minus minus plus 1. So now you can see students, terms are already arranged, only numbers are in pairs. So p as it is, and 2 plus 1, 3. So answer is p plus 3. Now move to the this sixth part: x plus 2y plus z minus x minus y minus 3z. So x plus 2y plus z inside the bracket, then minus sign for quotient, then minus x minus y minus 3z. This we will take inside the bracket. So x plus 2y plus z, then minus minus plus x, minus minus plus y, minus minus plus 3z. So now here is x, any other x, yes, this plus x. Then any other x, no. Plus 2y, any other y, yes, plus y. Any other y, no. Then plus z, any other z, yes, plus 3z. So student, you can see all are marked, and we can count also: 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means we had written all the terms. So x plus x, 2x, 2y plus y, 3y, then z plus 3z, 4z. So answer is 2x plus 3y plus 4z. So now student, move to the 10th part: a square plus ab plus c square, then comma a square minus d square. So a square plus ab plus c square inside the bracket, then minus a square minus d square also inside the bracket. Now open the bracket. A square plus AB plus C square minus plus minus A square minus minus plus D square. So you can see A square minus A square can cancel. Then what is left? AB, no any other AB, so we will write as it is. Then plus C square, no any other C square, then plus D square. So student, answer is AB plus C square plus D square. Now student, see 10th sum, that is subtract 4x from 8 minus x. From is written, it means we will write second expression first. So 8 minus x inside the bracket, then minus 4x. So this expression is monomial, no need to take inside the bracket. So now open the bracket. 8 minus x, then minus 4x. You can see terms are already arranged. So 8, then minus x, minus 4x. So one pair of like terms, minus x and minus 4x. So 8 we will write as it is. Minus x minus 4x means minus minus plus, we will add both the terms. So 1x plus 4x means 5x, minus sign will come, so minus 5x. So answer is 8 minus 5x. Now see second part. This we will write first, c plus 3d, bracket close. Then minus, because subtract, then what we have to subtract? Minus 8c. So this minus 8c will come inside the bracket. Now open the bracket. C plus 3d minus minus plus 8c. Now see student, c, is there any other c? Yes, plus 8c. Any other c? No. Then plus 3d. So this group is of like terms, so we can solve. C plus 8c means 9c plus 3d. So further we cannot solve, so answer is 9c plus 8c. Now students, see third part, that is minus 5a minus 2b from b plus 6c. So first we will write b plus 6c. So b plus 6c inside the bracket. Then minus sign of quotient, that is written subtract. Then what we have to subtract? Minus 5a minus 2b. So it will come inside the bracket. Now open the bracket. b plus 6c minus minus plus 5a minus minus plus 2b. So b is there. Any other b? Yes, plus 2b. Any other b? No. Then 6c plus 6c. Any other c? No. Then plus 5a. So b plus 2b means 3b plus 6c plus 5a. So now all the terms are unlike, so answer is 3b plus 6c plus 5a. Now move to the fifth part. So first we will write this 4a minus b minus 2c inside the bracket, then minus sign 5a minus 3b plus 2c also inside the bracket. Then students, open the bracket. 4a minus b minus 2c, then minus plus minus 5a minus minus plus 3b minus plus minus 2c. Now arrange the like terms. 4a, any other a? Yes, minus 5a. Any other a? No. Minus b, any other b? Yes, plus 3b. Then any other c? Yes, minus 2c. Any other c? Yes, minus 2c. So we have three group of like terms. So 4a minus 5a. So 4 minus 5 means minus 1. So minus 1a, it means minus a. Minus b plus 3b. Minus plus minus 3 minus 1, 2b. So you can see 3 is greater, having positive sign, it means plus 2b. Then minus 2c minus 2c minus minus plus, it means we will add both the negative numbers and minus sign will come. So minus 2 to the 2 plus 2, 4c. So answer is minus a plus 2b minus 4c. Now students, see sixth part. xy minus yz plus xz, bracket close. Then minus, which is written in the question, subtract for that minus. Then what we have to subtract? Minus xy plus yz minus zx, bracket close. So xy minus yz, then plus x z, minus minus plus xy, minus plus minus yz, minus minus plus zx. So students, we will arrange the like terms. Xy, any other xy, yes, plus xy. Then minus yz, any other yz, yes, minus yz. Then plus xz, any other xz, no, zx is there. So xz and zx are like terms, so we will write this zx here as xz. So xy plus xy, 2xy, minus yz minus yz, minus 2yz, plus xz means plus 2xz. So answer is 2xy minus 2yz plus 2xz. Now students, see 11 sum, that is subtract minus 5a square minus 3a plus 1 from the sum of 4a square plus 3 minus 8a and 9a minus 7. Suppose the question is subtract 20 from the sum of 10 and 80. So first you will do the sum like this: 10 plus 8, 18, 28, then we will subtract the 20. So in the same way, first we will do the sum. So sum of these two, so we will write heading here sum. So 4a square plus 3 minus 8a, then plus 9a minus 7. So take inside the bracket as I told you. Then we have to solve this. 4a square plus 3 minus 8a plus 9a minus 7. So arrange the like terms. 4a square, any other a square, no, plus 3, any other number, yes, minus 7. Then minus 8a, any other a, yes, plus 9a. So we have two group of like terms. So 4a square we will write as it is, then plus 3 minus 7 means minus 4, minus 8a plus 9a, minus plus minus 9 minus 8, 1, it means 1a. So 9 is greater, it means plus 1a. So plus 1a means a. So sum is coming 4a square minus 4 plus a. Now we have to subtract. What we have to subtract? So sum is coming as 28 and 20 is this. So 28 minus 20 we will do, or see the question also. Subtract minus 5a square minus 3a plus 1 from the sum of these two. It means sum we will write first, then this for subtraction. Here we will write heading subtract. So 4a square minus 4a plus a minus, what we have to subtract? Minus 5a square minus 3a plus 1. So this we will take inside the bracket. Now open the bracket. 4a square minus 4 plus a, minus minus plus 5a square, minus minus plus 3a, minus plus minus 1. So 4a square, any other a square, yes, plus 5a square, any other a square, no, minus 4, any other number, yes, minus 1. So plus a, any other a, yes, plus 3a. So 3 pairs of or 3 group of like terms. So 4a square plus 5a square, 9a square, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, a plus 3a plus 4a. So now we cannot solve further. So answer is 9a square minus 5 plus 4a. Now students, see 12 sum, that is by how much does 8x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 10 exceed 4x cube plus 2x square plus 7x minus 3. So one example I am telling you, by how much does 12 exceeds 3? By how much does 12 exceed 3? How much? 9. So how 9 you are getting? 12 minus 3. In this way you are getting 9. So in the same way we will do this. So 12 is as like 8x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 10, and 3 is like this. So we will subtract both. So 8x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 10 inside the bracket. Then minus 4x cube plus 2x square plus 7x minus 3. Listen again. By how much does 12 exceed 3? So 12 minus 3. So in the same way, by how much does this exceed this? So this expression minus this expression as we had written. So we will open the bracket first. So 8x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 10. So minus plus minus 4x cube minus plus minus 2x square minus plus minus 7x minus minus plus 3. So now we will arrange the like terms. 8x cube, any other x cube? Yes. Minus 4x cube. Any other? No. Minus 6x square, any other x square? Yes. Minus 2x square. Then plus 9x, any other x? Yes. Minus 7x. Minus 10, any other number? Yes. Plus 3. Now you can see there are 4 group of like term. One is this, second, third, fourth. So 8x cube minus 4x cube, 4x cube. Minus 6x square minus 2x square, both are negative, so we will add both, minus 8x square. Then plus 9x minus 7x means plus 2x. 9 minus 7, 2. Then minus 10 plus 3, minus plus minus, 10 minus 3, 7. 10 is greater, having minus sign, so minus 7. So students, answer is 4x cube minus 8x square plus 2x minus 7. Now students, see 13 sum. What must be added to 2a cube plus 5a minus a square minus 6 to get a square minus a cube plus 1. So see one example. What must be added to 5 to get 7? Tell me this. What must be added to 5 to get 7? So 2 we will add in 5, that we will get 7. So how 2 we are getting? We are getting 2 by 7 minus 5 in this way. So it means this expression minus this expression. So a square minus a cube plus 1 bracket close. Then minus this expression 2a cube plus 5a minus a square minus 6. So this expression is also will also come in inside the bracket. So now student, you will solve or open the bracket, then solve this, then find the answer, comment the answer in comment box. Now see 14th one. What must be subtracted from a square plus b square plus 2ab to get minus 4ab plus 2b square? See one example for this. What must be subtracted from 10 to get 8? So what we will subtract from 10 to get 8? We will subtract 2. So 10 minus 8. We will subtract 2. Yes. How 2 we are getting? 10 minus 8. Means this expression minus this expression. So a square plus b square plus 2ab inside the bracket minus 4ab plus 2b square bracket close. So after this student, you will solve yourself, then comment the answer in comment box. Next 17th sum. Subtract the sum of 3a square minus 2a plus 5 and a square minus 5a minus 7. Means subtract the sum of these two expressions from the sum of these two expressions. So we will do the sum first. So here we will write sum. Which sum? First. So we will do 3a square minus 2a plus 5. Then plus a square minus 5a minus 7. So we will add both the expression. So that first open the bracket, 3a square minus 2a plus 5, then plus a square minus plus minus minus 5a minus 7. Now arrange the like term. 3a square, any other a square? Yes, plus a square. Any other a square? No. Minus 2a, any other a? Yes, minus 5a. Plus 5, any other number? Yes, minus 7. So 3a square plus a square, one group of like term, this also group of like terms. So 3a square plus a square, 4a square, minus 2a minus 5a minus 7a plus 5 minus 7 minus 2. So first sum is coming 4a square minus 7a minus 2. Now we will do the sum of these two expressions also. So these two expressions are 5a square minus 9a plus 3 inside the bracket, and here we will write some 2, then plus 2a minus a square minus 1 inside the bracket. So first we will open the bracket, 5a square minus 9a plus 3, then plus 2a minus a square minus 1. So 5a square, any other a square? Yes, minus a square. Any other a square? No. Minus 9a, any other a? Yes, plus 2a. Then plus 3, any other number? Yes, minus 1. So one group is this, one group is this, one group is 5a square minus a square, 4a square. Minus 9a plus 2a minus 7a, because 9 is greater having minus sign, so minus 7a. Plus 3 minus 1 means plus 2. Now students, see the question. What is the question? Subtract the sum of these two sum of these two expressions from these two. So from is written, it means this sum we will write first, means this sum minus this sum. So this sum is coming 4a square minus 7a plus 2 inside the bracket, then minus sum of these two expressions. It is coming 4a square minus 7a minus 2 inside the bracket. Yes, minus 2. And here we will write heading subtract. So simply we can subtract this, 4a square minus 7a plus 2 minus plus minus 4a square minus minus plus 7a minus minus plus 2. Now about the like terms, 4a square, any other a square? Yes, minus 4a square. Minus 7a, any other a? Yes, plus 7a. Then plus 2, any other number? Yes, plus 2. So we had written all the terms. 4a square minus 4a square cancel, minus 7a plus 7a cancel, because they both are same terms, like terms, and same also, and having opposite signs, so we can cancel both the terms. So 2 plus 2, 4. So students, answer is 4.